Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will make a Christmas tree ornament from a kit that I bought for $1.25 at Dollar Tree in September 2024. I couldn't find this kit on the Dollar Tree website. The kit I did find looks a little different, and it came with 3 magic markers, which my kit didn't come with. But the kit I bought did come with 8 trees to decorate. And by the time you get to Dollar Tree, there will be different fun kits available. After I'm done decorating the tree, I'll let it dry overnight, and then I'll have my husband seal it with polyacrylic to help hold the beads on. Jeweled Garden. Working on these ornaments reminds me of working on the Jeweled Garden way back in February of 2022. Like the Jeweled Garden, this is fun because there's no specific pattern. I'm not following someone else's ideas. I pick out the colors. I make up the pattern. I'm using leftover diamonds from my stash. I picked out some diamonds to start with, and I'll make changes as I go. Experimenting with wood repair markers on wooden tags. Let's use wood repair markers for the brown on the backs and the trunks of the Christmas trees. But let's experiment first on some small wooden tags. On the Michaels website, buying 12 packs of 36 tags from Michaels is $35.93. So one set of 36 tags is about $3, which seems reasonable. I bought the wood repair markers at my local Ace hardware store. I'll color each tag over a piece of cardboard to protect my work desk. My conclusion? For the first tree, I'll use walnut for the trunk. You can use magic markers, furniture repair markers, paint by number paints, glitter, and any other leftovers from all of your crafting. What will you use from your stash? Let's make a Christmas tree. All right, let's start with the magic markers. I'm not seeing a lot of difference between the front and the back of the ornament, so I'm just going to randomly pick this side to be the back. I'm using my walnut, and on the back I'm going to color the whole thing in. And now I'm going to just do the trunk of the tree. This is a Bic called Key Lime. Now I'm going to do the star. I've tested out some of my special diamonds, and I've decided that some of them would look pretty, but I think some of them are just too large for the space. I've also tested out several colors, and I think for this first one I'm just going to leave it very plain. I'm going to put in the beads that you see here, and then I'm going to fill in with little beads. I'm going to use Elmer's Washable Clear School Glue. I'm going to use some eye makeup applicators to put the glue on. I'm going to use a prescription bottle top to put the glue in. And I'm going to use a regular drill pen to place the diamonds on the tree. I definitely don't want to use a fancy pen for this. in case I get glue on the pen. That looks good. I'm really happy with that. And I think that any grandparent who got that as a gift would feel that it was wonderful. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. It's fun doing regular diamond painting with pre-designed, pre-made kits. It's a diamond painting adventure to pick out the backgrounds, patterns, and colors yourself. And the great thing about Christmas ornaments is they're small. This is a no-risk project. If you are having fun, you will be inspired to do more. If you aren't having as much fun, you can stop without worrying about wasting expensive supplies. These are inexpensive ornaments and leftover diamonds from your stash. And no matter how they turn out, they will be beautiful. Your friends that don't diamond paint will be impressed with the shiny diamonds. Your friends that do diamond paint will be impressed that you created beautiful ornaments and used up leftover diamonds. Will you try this? What will your ornaments look like? Will you dig into your stash to see what's there? Will you use a color palette to match the decorations in your home? Will you make these as gifts for friends and family? I hope this project inspires you to create your own holiday ornaments. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.